Hi, Annette Regele from EuroSafety here. I am going to discuss today on how to confirm your online class. Now, when you contact EuroSafety and we start to discuss some of the things that we need to know information-wise, like type of helicopter, recurrent or initial, or number of students, then we will come to the point where we have agreed upon date, place, and you will get an email from me that looks like this. And it will have the training information on it. It'll have the date that you need to confirm by. That's very important. Make a note of it because we cannot move forward until the confirmation process has been completed. So we will go down and it has a link, and it also has your username, which is your email address, and your password. So you're going to want to copy your password and then click on the link. All right, now we have the login page. You're going to put in your email right here. Add that in. Okay, and then your password, just paste that in, and then we're going to sign in, and now we're at step one. So we have your name, first name, last name, your title, and your email address. Now you can change that at any time. You can put in a different name, you can put in your title, your email, anything can be changed at this point. So your pilot certificate number, work, cell, and then you'll also want to put in your jacket size. So we add that in, and then we're going to continue. So now we have the company information. This is your name, address, the city, state, zip, and again, any of these can be changed at any time if you need to. Your phone number, and if you have a fax number, you can add that in as well. And then we're going to continue. All right, step 3 is the training event confirmation course information. Now, at the top, you'll see what type of aircraft we have you registered for, the number of pilots, and if it's recurrent or initial. Now, the schedules below, we have the travel day, which is the date that it takes for the instructor to get to you if it is at your site. Ground school, flight training, and then the travel day for the instructor to get home. The next paragraph has the ground school information as far as when it starts and what time you need to be there and what time the class starts. And then the next one, we have information about the classroom. You will need to provide a TV with HDMI hookups or a place where the instructor can project the screen onto. So down below we have the carbide skid shoe information. Now you will need to have full-length carbide skid shoes on your helicopter. If not, it could damage the helicopter skids, so we want to make sure that you always have those on. So if you do not have them, we can provide them for you at a cost. And so down below you're going to put in the ground school address and flight training address. Now the flight training address is where the skid shoes get sent. So you'll want to make sure to be very specific on this so they go to the correct location. So ground school, you can add in the address right here. And again, any codes or anything we need to have to get into that area can be provided there as well. All right. All right, flight training address, we'll want to add, again, anything that's specific to that area that we need to have in order to get into that area. All right, and then okay. So we request the skid shoes, and now we're continuing. All right, now we are getting to the point where we have the application, the pilot training agreement. The payment for the class will need to be 7 days before the class. Now, if you want to use a wire transfer, that's fine, or a check, that would need to arrive at the following location 8 days prior. If by 7 days prior we don't have any information, we are going to charge the card on file. So down below we have your information, the contact information, and the training event details. So make sure that all of that is correct before you sign anything. You want to make sure that the date, and it has the ground school days and the flying days. We have the invoice at the bottom. We have our privacy statement and the insurance requirements. Now, you will need to add us to your insurance while we're there training. So you can contact your insurance company and they can add us for the period of time we are there. Down below we have some legal declarations, and then you're going to be signing by accepted by. You're going to put in your name, which is like you're doing your signature. So you'll just add in your name there. Okay, and then below you're going to have the name on the credit card that you're entering to secure your slot. Credit card number, the expiration date, and then the CVC code. The credit card billing address, and then you are going to accept the training. Okay, and now we've come to step 5, which is the final step, and it's going to have you go down and you're going to click Manage Students, and then it's going to have, if you are going to be participating, the one that's signing up, you're going to add me as a student. You need your certificate number, the total hours in your airframe, and then just double check to make sure that the jacket size is still correct. Okay, and then you're going to complete my registration. And now there was 2 students that we had signed up for, so the second student will pop up and you're going to add their name, last name, and then their email address. We're going to click on Add the Student. Once it's filled in, okay, add student. And so it is complete. That student will receive an email, and then they will just need to add their information as well, pilot certificate number and their jacket size. So this is pretty much it. It's easy process. It's not too difficult, but it helps to know and go through this. So when you do sign up, you'll have this you can refer back to complete your training. So that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks.